Yes, 5 big things are happening in crypto today, including with Ethereum, with Bitcoin, with Binance, with altcoins, and much more. Like always, let's jump in and quickly start with Bitcoin. CoinHub to install 1,000 new Bitcoin ATMs at gas stations amid crypto banking cutoff. And just for perspective, there are currently over 33,000 crypto ATMs operating globally today. And while banks are failing, we just got 1,000 more. Bitcoin ATM operator CoinHub is looking to help address the issue of crypto debanking by teaming up with more than 1,000 gas stations and store owners to install new crypto ATMs. And why gas stations? Well, partnering with gas stations and store owners allows CoinHub to place their ATMs in areas of high visibility and foot traffic, giving users an easy way to buy Bitcoin, and here's the key, with cash, and avoid the hassles associated with using their bank accounts or credit cards. So you can buy crypto and stay off the grid. For those that prefer more anonymity, the ability to insert cash and receive Bitcoin or one of 25 other cryptocurrencies instantly and securely is an ideal alternative to signing up for an account on an exchange like Coinbase. And we're seeing decentralized protocols thrive today. Uniswap protocol volume higher than Coinbase for 2 months in a row. So for the second month in a row, decentralized exchange Uniswap beats Coinbase in trading volume, hitting $71.6 billion in March, 45% higher than Coinbase's volume. Uniswap had its best month since January 2022. So this tracks the last 12 months, and we can see Uniswap trading volume in dark blue for the DEXs dominates. And Coinbase is now realizing they better get some exposure to DeFi or risk being left behind. Coinbase Ventures joins liquid staking protocol Rocket Pool's Oracle DAO, meaning that this is a big win for those of you that hold RPL, Rocket Pool's token, because Coinbase Ventures has increased its involvement. Specifically, last Friday, the investment branch of one of the largest centralized exchanges by trading volume joined Rocket Pool's Oracle DAO, which is a group of permissioned special node operators that perform extra duties for the protocol. So how this affects you? This is a huge win for Ethereum because Rocket Pool assists in Ethereum staking on the main chain. And as such, Coinbase Ventures will now receive a share of the 15% of the total RPL inflation produced at each rewards period. And as Coinbase works to support Ethereum staking, Polkadot making moves of its own, Polkadot registers Trademark for blockchain communication platform. So they have filed a trademark for a blockchain-based messaging app, maybe like a Signal or a WhatsApp or a communication tool. The phrase Polkadot Converse has been trademarked, with additional information on the app being added in the goods and services section of the filing. So specifically, what does this trademark cover? The trademark covers software for social networking, software for creating, software for sending and receiving electronic messages, as well as graphics, images, and audio content. So like a decentralized social media, like a decentralized WhatsApp. And remember, despite several attempts from the likes of Steemit, Tether's Keet, and most recently Nostr, social media has never really hit it off within the Web3 industry. Would you use a Polkadot-based social media/messaging service? Comment down below. And before we get to this Binance FUD, if you're wondering why Gala Games is trending, Huobi and Gala Games to give $50 million to victims of P-Gala scheme. So the firms will compensate the scheme's victims while fighting for millions in damages from the cross-chain bridge that covered up the token printing scheme. Just as a reminder on what exactly is happening, this announcement comes 5 months after a bad actor minted $1 billion worth of P-Gala, a wrapped version of Gala that trades on BNB chain, and offloaded the tokens on decentralized exchanges, including PancakeSwap, plunging the price of Gala 94%. And here's what was crazy at the time. P-Network, the Gala Games cross-chain interoperability bridge, said at the time that it coordinated a white hat attack on itself to prevent bad actors from getting away with users' money. So they claimed the hack was innocent, it was a white hat hack against themselves, yet users lost money And a month ago, Gala Games filed a lawsuit seeking $27.7 million in damages and compensation from P Network. Either way, they didn't want the users, the victims of this incident, to wait, so Gala Games and Huobi is compensating them in tokens and in nodes themselves. And an update on this Binance news. Breaking. Binance CEO CZ discredits rumors of Interpol red notice citing Photoshop. So this was huge news yesterday, leaving many Binance users afraid. All from this tweet from Kobe right here. An encrypted message from Twitter user Kobe read, Interpol red notice for CZ. Kobe is a renowned Twitter user with a massive following, which explains the loud chatter around this post. And this message was tweeted in a sequence of letters and numbers, encrypted using the SHA-256 hash function. Now some are blaming Kobe for fake news, others are saying that Kobe was tricked as well. I needed 5 minutes of search to understand that the CZ Interpol picture is fake. The FUD against Binance is engineered on purpose, and Kobe had nothing to do with it. They want your Bitcoin, don't panic sell it to them until 1 mil. So always double check, follow sources that put out accurate information, and as I get more updates, I will keep you updated. Now, why is Ethereum going up? Well, we know that Ethereum jumps to its highest price in 8 months ahead of highly anticipated network upgrade. That is the Shanghai upgrade, as discussed in our best 5 cryptos for April video. But maybe even a bigger piece of news for Ethereum. Satellite orbiting Earth participates in the Ethereum KZG ceremony. So what is this ceremony? The Ethereum KZG ceremony, which aims to provide a cryptographic foundation for Ethereum scaling, has already had over 83,000 contributions of randomness from users all over the world. Now it's receiving a contributor from outer space, meaning the Ethereum network is now being supported from space. CryptoSat, a blockchain-powered satellite orbiting Earth, announced its contribution of entropy from space on April 4th. And now this does mean that the Ethereum network is now that much stronger. According to the announcement from CryptoSat, the satellite orbits Earth every 90 minutes, following a remote course 550 kilometers above the ground, which makes it difficult for outside actors to gain access during the KZG contribution. Ethereum is feeling strong. And in the latest piece of Solana news, another project is migrating from Solana onto Ethereum. Remember Pogs? They're back in Ethereum NFT form. The 1990s Milk Caps game is launching Ethereum NFTs this week, and the Solana community is shook. Pogs first entered Web3 about a year ago, first launching on the Solana blockchain, but this week, Pogs will make the jump over to Ethereum with a new NFT mint that corresponds with the debut of an online version of the game. And in a direct quote from the Pogs NFT founder, he says, "Now that we're going to Ethereum, it does feel like we're kind of stepping up to the major leagues," citing increased trading volume and liquidity compared to the Solana NFT space. Be sure to click subscribe because you want a daily video on cryptocurrency, keeping you informed. And like always, see you tomorrow.